Hello children, welcome back to the English literature class. Children, before starting the class, I request all of you to take your English literature book and open page number 65. 65. If you all remember, we were doing the chapter Uncle Prasad and the Flying Machine part 1. Now that part is over, that is already completed. So today we are starting with Uncle Prasad and the Flying Machine part 2. I hope you all have understood the part 1. I will just give a quick revision of part 1. In part 1, we read that there's a boy whose name is Ravi and he is drawing the design of a flying machine. Okay? And then suddenly he hears somebody knocking at the door. So when he opens the door, he saw that Uncle Prasad has come to his house. Okay, so he requests Uncle Prasad to see his drawing, to see the design of the flying machine. Okay, so when Uncle Prasad sees the design, he says it is very good, but it is not strong and I don't think it's going to fly. Then Ravi says that no, Uncle Prasad, I am still working on it and I request you to come after 2 months, and by the time my flying machine will be ready to fly and I will definitely give you a ride. Okay, so that was the gist of the first part of this chapter. Now we are going to start the second part. Now while I am reading, you all will just keep your finger on the line which I will read and I will explain also. So let's start. Wait a minute, said Ravi. His uncle looked round. Now Ravi says to Uncle Prasad, jump into the flying machine and it's all set to take a ride. Okay, but Uncle Prasad was really surprised and he was really shocked also. Then he says, where to jump in, where to sit? There's no seat in this. Then Ravi tells him that no, you can sit on this bar and you can hold this bar. If you are going to pull this bar towards yourself, the plane will go high up and there are 2 loops where you are going to put your feet. Okay, the right foot and the left foot. If you want the plane to go right, then you have to push your right foot down, and if you want the plane to go left, then you have to push your left foot down. Okay, so all the instructions he gave to Uncle Prasad. Then he says, wait a minute. But before Uncle Prasad sits in the flying machine, Ravi says, wait a minute. Behind the plane were 10 boys, all friends of Ravi's. Ravi raised his right hand, then he shouted, now, come on boys, all together, push. Now see what happens. Ravi has taken the flying machine on the top of a hill, no, on a rock, no, and there he was wanting the flying machine to fly from there, because to fly the machine, Ravi needs something really high so that it can be little easy for the flying machine to fly. Okay, so all the boys, like Ravi's friends, they were standing behind. Okay, behind the plane. Then Ravi raises his right hand and he calls the boys and he instructs the boys, when I will raise my right hand, then you all will push the plane together. Okay, now by the time Uncle Prasad was already seated in the plane, the boys all pushed And before Uncle Prasad knew what was happening, the plane had been hurled over the rock. Now see what happens. The moment the boys pushed the plane, Uncle Prasad was really trying to manage his weight on the flying machine. So as soon as the boys pushed the plane started moving, okay, and had started to fall at great speed towards the fields below. Now see, it was on a top of a small hill, no? So the moment the boys pushed the plane started rolling down, okay. It was trying to fly and it was coming down towards the field. Instead of going up, it was coming down towards the fields. Uncle Prasad let out a shriek. Now shriek means to give a loud shout, okay. Uncle Prasad let out a shriek and pulled the rod towards him. Now Uncle Prasad remembers that Ravi has told him that if you want the plane to go up, then you have to pull the bar towards you. So quickly Uncle Prasad pulls the bar towards him. The plane straightened up. Now see, at the moment he pulled the bar towards him, the plane straightened up. And in a second, a strong gust of wind caught hold of it. And suddenly, the strong wind, it caught hold over the plane. And it sailed up into the air. And then the flying machine was up in a moment. The moment Uncle Prasad pulled the bar towards him, the plane started going up. Hurrah! Shouted Ravi. Now Ravi was very excited. Obviously, it was his plane. He only made it. So when he saw that the plane is flying, he became so excited. Hurrah! Shouted the boys. And the boys also became very happy. Well done! Shouted all the people looking on, and all the crowd that was gathered there to see the flying machine. They all clapped and they all were very happy and they all were appreciating Ravi. Uncle Prasad did not shout. His face was white with fear, but Uncle Prasad, he was really frightened because he was not knowing what's going to happen. The plane was going higher and higher. Soon, Ravi and his friends were small dots on the hill. Now see, the moment the plane went high up in the sky, all the people, those who were standing on the hill and near the fields, they were looking like small dots because the plane was at a quite height. Okay, it was at the height. Okay, so below him, he could see the town and the river and the road leaning away towards the city. Now, Uncle Prasad, when he looks down, what he sees? He sees that there are small towns, rivers, roads leaning away towards the city. Okay? Now, this was the reading and the explanation of page number 65 of this chapter, Uncle Prasad and the Flying Machine. Boys, I will be explaining this chapter in 3 or 4 videos so that it is little easy for you to understand. Okay? So, for today's assignment, you have to read this full page, page number 65. Mark the new words. Take your dictionary and find out the meanings of the new words which you don't understand. Few meanings are given in your book also. There you can see the word meanings. Okay, and write the new words in your revision register and the meanings also of the new words. Okay, and then try to make small sentences of your own. Fine. Now boys, for your classwork copy, you have to write this heading, Uncle Prasad and the Flying Machine, part 2. Okay, if you wish, you can paste this picture. Take a printout, a colored printout. No need to draw because I think it will be little tough for you to draw. If you can draw, then it's well and good. But if you can't, then take a printout of this picture. This is a very beautiful picture. And paste it in your English literature copy. And you have to read this page number 65. Okay? God bless you. Take care.